Okay, so Mark II Escort, full drivetrain is out, suspension, anything that we can powder coat, plate, that is all out. So you can have a look here. The wiring, we'll probably get to the wiring again. We'll get rid of all this insulation tape, go through the wiring, get the plugs all freshened up, get those silly lugs out of there. This is done here. And the interior, so we've taken, we're gonna still take, we've taken out the pedals. The pedals will be powder coated and plated. The heater box will come out when the car comes back from paint. Then all these locks are gonna come out here on the door. This will get plated. These locks here as well with the screws. Then the seat belt stalks will come out as well. That'll get plated. These here, all these screws will go back to black, not painted. They'll get electroplated. The boot, the petrol tank is out. All these brackets, the two brackets for the petrol tank will come out as well. Then here's your engine and drivetrain and suspension all out. So quickly, color codes that we're gonna go for. We're gonna go with the Ford blue on the cylinder head and block. We're gonna keep the tappet cover chrome, or we're gonna re-chrome that. Then it's got a 38 Weber on it. I'm gonna see if we can open it up. She's nice and clean now, so maybe we'll just give a service to the needle and seat, get this here polished off here, get all these nuts and bolts here done, dress this up here properly. The thermostat housing, we're gonna see if we're gonna powder coat or if we're gonna polish it up with all the nuts and bolts done to it. Give it a proper clean up. The engine brackets will get powder coated black. Obviously new mountings, whatever can go silver, we're gonna try and polish, not high polish, but we'll silver polish it up as far as possible. The front timing covers, we'll see what we're gonna do there. Obviously the fan is gonna get done. Then the alternator we will take apart, and I'll show you in the next couple of videos how we take that apart, just as this thing is small. So this here will go with a silver. I'm most likely gonna powder coat it, find a nice match to powder coat it. Then this bracket here I'm gonna make gold, and then a steering rack we're probably gonna have it redone. As for the calipers are green at this point in time. I mean red at this point in time. So we're actually gonna go with a zinc plate on it. We'll do that in-house. I'll show you how that comes out. The strut and bearing, the strut and hub, we're gonna see how we're gonna get that done. Gearbox, I'm not too sure on the color if it's gonna go black or silver. That'll get painted silver, but I'm gonna try and get all these bolts done as well, just to give us some detail in it. Exhaust, obviously that's gonna get done. Prop shaft will go in for balancing, and that'll get painted. Then on the rear, so the leaf springs have been dropped already. We're gonna rebush them and then powder coat them afterwards. Oh sorry, we're gonna take the bushes out, powder coat them, and then rebush them. The drums will get, I'll find out what color we're gonna go on the drums, but that will either get powder coated, cleaned up, or I highly doubt it's gonna get anodized. The diff will get stripped up, so we'll pull the side shafts out, then pull the crown and pinion out, pull the prop shaft coupling out. So my plan is to try and go with a gold on the coupling nut. Get this here black, this here, if I'm not, this plate here, the Welsh plate should be gold if I'm not mistaken. Then the diff will be gold. The stabilizer bar will be black. The stabilizer bush bracket and bolt should be gold. The U-bolts here holding your diff to your leaf spring will be gold, and it'll be a nice look. We're gonna try and finish this here up nicely. We're gonna try and detail it up nicely. So this is before. All the brake lines here, we're not gonna opt for the gold lines. We're gonna go with the original silver lines. So I'm gonna see if I can clean them up, or we're gonna go with new. And then I'd actually like to see how we can get this, the brake shoe holder here and the spring. I want to see how we can clean up this nicely. This will be something like it to work with. So anyway guys, this is the before look. In the next 2 weeks or so I'm gonna update you, and you'll see how this here comes out. Look, it's our first Ford that we're doing. We're actually excited to do it, and yeah.